What's going on YouTube? We're back after a long time, and today I'm kicking things off with finishing what should have been a mod from a long time ago, the oil catch tank. So stay tuned and I'm going to give you guys a rundown of how I did it. The induction kit. It's actually an upsizer, so down here 63mm and here 76. This part down here is slightly too long, so I'm going to cut it about here and then it should fit nicely. So here we have the catch tank in its place. To get this plumbed up we need to separate the two breathers, so one's here where the filter is now and the other one's here. And goes into the inlet manifold here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this up and remove that hose, and then this hose will run to the catch tank. I now have the old breather pipe off. As you can see down here, that's where it went onto the manifold. So now you can plug that up and start working on the piping. In total honesty, I got carried away. But here we have the first breather all plumbed up. We can see it's a bit long, but it goes right to here and to the catch tank. So what I'm going to do next is get a second, or I'm going to get a T bracket coming off of here for the second breather, which is here. So I'm going to start putting together the hoses for the second breather, and then that will be it. Let's see what the oil is like after a week of driving it plumbed up, or half plumbed. Because I haven't finished the second breather, which is the one back there. But this top one's been plumbed up and sealed, so oh, you can see it's dark and soggy at the bottom, which tells me that, yeah. Sorry, I'm kind of looking at it in person instead of through the camera. I'm trying to get the camera to focus. Yeah, the oil's coming out, which is a good sign, I think. That means it works. Can I see if there's oil in there? Oh, there's something in there, but it's not a lot. So and it's hot because I just went for a drive. I'm going to take this off and see if I can see any oil that would have going down to this side because it's tipped forward. Yeah, let's get off and have a look. The final piece is now here in a druggy bag for some reason. Don't do drugs, kids. But we can now finish the catch tank, so let's get started. Well, finished. Now that we've got the final piece assembled for the catch tank, I'm gonna have to jig the design here and see what I can come up with. So I've removed the elbow hose joint that was here, and I'm going to replace it with this one. So it's going to go backwards like that, and then I'll cut that to size and connect it behind, and then everything will be plumbed up. Catch tank is out, as we can see. Yeah, I had to cut this one shorter to because I was having some fitment issues. Under here was not a great deal of room, so now I should have plenty of room to fit this up nice and snug. Everything's tight. You can see we've connected all the hoses. Catch tank's now reconnected. Now it's time to put the catch tank back in place and then test it in action. And there it is, finally completed. The long-awaited catch tank system that I have dragged out since near enough the start of this channel. But yeah, it's finally done. I must say I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's my first time doing something like this, but yeah, I'm happy with it. So I just need to test it, make sure that it's working and that the heat's actually coming in this direction. Because I didn't modify the catch tank, just need to make sure that the heat's not back blasting into the engine, but it shouldn't do. So let's start up and see. Pipe off, screws loose, and very bad way to test it, but I could see there was nothing in there. I can see the dirt going in, so it is working, but I guess a week isn't long enough to do it, so maybe I guess it'll have to probably become a serviceable item. So I'll check in about a month after installation and see what's happening. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, then please like, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned in because there's going to be lots of content coming, and I'll see you guys in the next video.